In today's video, we're going to compare the course builders of MasterStudy LMS and LearnDash. Both of these plugins are among the most popular learning management systems for WordPress. And since the course builder is where you'll spend most of your time as an instructor, it's important to understand how each one works. We will go over the interface, the process of creating lessons, quizzes, and assignments, how you organize your curriculum, and some extra features that stand out. By the end, you'll have a clear picture of which course builder is better fit for your workflow. So let's get started. First off, the course builder interface. MasterStudy LMS gives you a modern drag-and-drop course builder. It opens up in a clean and intuitive layout where you can create sections and then add lessons, quizzes, and assignments inside those sections. Everything happens in a single screen so you can structure your curriculum quickly without constantly switching tabs. Instructors can also work directly from their front-end dashboard, which makes the process really convenient. Now for LearnDash, it also provides a drag-and-drop builder inside the WordPress dashboard. It follows a very visual workflow where you can create lessons, then break them down into topics and mix in quizzes and assignments. The interface is smooth and feels well organized, especially for people who like building everything within the backend. So in terms of usability, both builders are user-friendly, but MasterStudy emphasizes a front-end experience while LearnDash leans towards a polished backend environment. Curriculum and content creation. In MasterStudy LMS, you start by creating sections to structure your course. Inside each section, you can add multiple lesson types, including video lessons, text lessons, and even live sessions through Zoom or other integrations. Quizzes and assignments are also added directly into the sections, so your entire curriculum is laid out clearly. LearnDash works in a very similar way. You create lessons, and inside lessons, you can break things down further into topics. Each lesson or topic can include video, audio, or written content. Quizzes and assignments are available as well, with a lot of flexibility in how you set them up. Both plugins support drip content, prerequisites, and progression rules, which means you can control when content is unlocked and what students need to complete before moving on. Overall, the curriculum structure in both MasterStudy and LearnDash is very robust. The difference is more about naming and workflow rather than features. Now let's talk about quizzes and assessments. MasterStudy LMS offers a dedicated quiz builder with multiple question types like multiple choice, true or false, fill in the blank, and more. You can set timers, passing grades, attempt limits, and randomize questions. It feels very straightforward to set up even for larger quizzes. LearnDash also has a powerful quiz builder with a wide variety of question types and advanced options like certificates, leaderboards, and detailed scoring rules. It's a little more complex than MasterStudy's quiz builder, but it gives you a high level of control, especially for academic or professional courses that need strict assessment features. So here, MasterStudy focuses on simplicity and ease of use, while LearnDash leans toward more advanced customization. Now let's talk about workflow and instructor experience. From an instructor's perspective, both builders are efficient. MasterStudy LMS allows instructors to create and manage courses directly from the front-end dashboard, which is great if you want teachers to work independently without giving them back-end access. The drag-and-drop builders make it easy to rearrange content quickly. LearnDash, on the other hand, is fully back-end driven. It integrates tightly with the WordPress block editor, so if you're already comfortable with WordPress, it feels very natural. The builder is fast and polished, but it does require you to work inside the admin area. LearnDash also supports front-end course building through its Instructor Role Premium add-on. This add-on enables you to have multiple instructors on your LMS site. Extra features inside the builder. Both plugins also include some extra features that enhance the course building process. MasterStudy LMS comes in with built-in certificates, announcements, and even gamification elements like points and rewards. It also integrates live lessons directly into the course builder, which is really handy if you plan to combine recorded and live teaching. LearnDash includes certificates as well, along with features like advanced quiz grading, assignment uploads, and detailed reporting. It also has solid integrations with tools like Gradebook, ProPanel, and WooCommerce for monetization. So while both cover the basics, MasterStudy gives you more built-in teaching tools, while LearnDash connects deeply with external add-ons for scalability. So final thoughts. Which course builder should you go for? If you are looking for a modern, front-end friendly builder with a lot of built-in teaching features, MasterStudy LMS is a great choice. It's intuitive, flexible, and works well for instructors who want everything in one place. If you prefer a back-end driven builder that integrates tightly with WordPress and gives you powerful control over quizzes and assessments, then LearnDash might be the better fit. It's especially strong for academic institutions or organizations that need advanced testing features. At the end of the day, both plugins are excellent. It really depends on your teaching style and the kind of courses you want to create. Now let's talk about the pricing, and let's start with MasterStudy LMS. MasterStudy LMS has annual and lifetime plans. Again, it also has a free version that you can start with. This gives you a lot of features which you can use to build your LMS site, but it does lack advanced features such as advanced quiz features, content rip, etc. So for those advanced features, you need to get any of the paid plans. Let's take a look at the annual plans. The single site is available for a discount price of $99 per year. This gives you one site license, update for 1 year, priority ticket support, and starter theme. The next plan is 10 sites, which is available for a discount price of $199 per year, and this gives you 10 site licenses. The unlimited plan is available for a discount price of $399, and this gives you unlimited site licenses. If you switch on to the lifetime plans, you can pay a one-time fee and keep working on your MasterStudy project. Now let's take a look at the LearnDash pricing. So the base plugin has 3 plans: 1 site, 10 sites, and unlimited sites. Unlike MasterStudy LMS, LearnDash does not have a free version that you can use. If you want to get LearnDash, you can purchase the 1 site license for $199 per year. You can also get the 10 site licenses, which is available for $399 a year, and the unlimited plan is available for $799 a year. There's also the Stellar Site Learning package, which basically gives you website hosting, domains, daily backups. Basically, all the domain and hosting tasks are taken care of so that you can focus on your e-learning tasks more attentively. Now, there are annual and monthly plans. It starts from $29 per month. There's the $55 per month, and there's the other $79 per month. Now, this gives you access to all the features and also takes care of your domain and hosting. Next, there are some add-ons. You can purchase these add-ons. For example, group management, instructor role, Gradebook. These add additional features to your LearnDash site. Again, there's the bundles. So in case you want to get LearnDash along with some other bundles, you can get these bundles. There are a few of these bundles that you can see. The Ultimate Course Creator bundle gives you access to LearnDash LMS, the ProPanel, instructor role, group management, ratings, reviews, and feedbacks, and some other add-ons. These are available for $499 a year, $899 a year, and $1,699 a year. It's available for 1 site, 10 sites, and unlimited sites, so you can choose or pick the bundle which suits your learning style best. So that brings us to the end of today's video. We hope that it was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos such as this one. So thank you for watching. See you next time.